Look at my plane, Lily. Wow, that's amazing. Wow, it is flying so high. I am a great pilot. I want to fly a big plane too. Hello, little pilots. Look at my airplane.
We have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Open this magic box. Whoa! Wow! Pilot hats. And pilot glasses.
We are going to the Aviation Academy.
Really? The Aviation Academy? I am so excited! We will meet a real pilot today. Wow! A real pilot! I am ready for the challenge! Look at all these airplanes! Wow! We're gonna fly them! Yes! They are so big and beautiful.
This is the training center.
Wow!
We'll learn so much here.
Look! There is the pilot expert. Hello! It's great to see you.
Hello, Leo and Lily.
Hello! Hello, Mr. Pilot. Your uniform is so cool.
Thank you. Are you ready to fly?
Yes! What do we do first?
We have 5 challenges today.
Five challenges? That is a lot. Ha! Oh?
You will learn safety rules first. I'm a little nervous. Safety is very important. Then, you will check the airplane.
I have good eyes for checking.
Next, we go to the simulator.
What is a simulator?
It is a fake airplane room. Just for training.
You can practice flying inside it.
Then you will land the plane.
Landing sounds very hard.
And finally, a rescue mission.
A rescue mission? I love helping.
Let us go to the cabin.
The cabin is very big.
First, How do we use seat belts?
I know. You pull the strap. Lily, you pulled it too hard. Look, now it's all the way back. I know, I'm sorry. Oops. The seat went back.
Be gentle, Lily. Like this.
Okay. Click. My seatbelt is on. Good job.
Good job. Now the oxygen masks.
They drop from the ceiling.
Put your mask on first. Then help other people.
I will help you, Lily. Everything will be all right. Thank you, Leo.
You must always listen to the crew.
We are safe in the airplane. We are safe here.
Safety is our #1 rule.
Challenge 2. The airplane check.
I am ready to check everything.
Here is your checklist, Leo.
Let me check the airplane wings. The wings are very big and strong. Now I will check the tires. These are good to go. Next up, the other side.
The tires look very good.
The lights are working too. The lights are working too.
Great job, Leo. Your turn, Lily.
Thank you, pilot.
Now let's see how the engine runs.
I will check the airplane door. Wait. Look at this small cover. It is open. Mr. Pilot, this cover is not closed,
Ah, you're right. Good catch.
and it needs to be fixed right now.
Absolutely. Great job. Wow, Lily. You have great eyes.
You are a smart little pilot.
We will close it right now.
How?
Now for challenge 3.
Ah! The cockpit simulator! Oh. There are so many buttons here.
Sit in the pilot seats, please.
I will hold the steering wheel. I will watch the big screen.
Leo, try to turn the plane.
Oh,
That's it. Gentle does it. Wow.
I did it!
Good job.
Okay! Okay! Turning left. Oh no! Ah! Ah! Oh no! We are shaking! You turned too fast, Leo. Try to slow down a little. Sorry. I will do it slower.
Now, Lily, change the altitude.
I will press this red button.
Wait, Lily. Listen to the sound.
That is a warning alarm.
I pressed the wrong button.
It is okay. Take a deep breath.
We must be calm. Do it step by step.
Okay. Okay. I will press the blue button.
Perfect.
The plane is flying smooth. Ah!
We are a good team. Challenge 4 is landing the plane.
Ah! Look at the big clouds. Leo, those look dangerous.
The wind is very strong today. You can do it, little pilots.
You can do it, little pilots.
We will.
Work together and stay calm. I am holding the wheel steady. Our speed is good, Leo. The wind is pushing the plane. We're going down. We are not on the runway. I am scared.
A good pilot stays calm in trouble. Touchdown! We are safe!
Safe! Amazing landing, Leo and Lily. That was very hard but fun.
Challenge 5. The rescue mission. Where is the rescue?
I found it!
A toy plane is stuck on the mountain. We must use the rescue helicopter.
Okay, let's go get it.
I will use the radio to talk. I have the map right here.
We can do this.
I am flying the helicopter. I will look through my binoculars.
Go straight, Leo. Turn left at the big tree.
I see it. It is on the rocks. I am lowering the rescue rope. Got it! We saved the plane! We saved it! Yes! We saved the plane!
You did it! Challenge complete! We are a great rescue team.
I am proud of you both. Now, follow me to the runway.
Wow! That airplane is so big. It is moving very fast. Look at that! It's so fast!
It is taking off right now.
Oh!
Look at it fly into the sky.
Being a pilot is a very big job.
Yes, it takes a lot of practice.
And we must always be responsible.
Exactly. You learned very well today.
I have a special gift for you both. Here is your junior pilot certificate, Leo. And here is your certificate, little Lily.
Yay!
I am a real junior pilot.
Let us take a family photo now. Say cheese, everyone. Look at the camera.
Cheese! 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 I will put my certificate on the desk. I will put mine next to my bed. What is the most important rule we learned?
Safety is always the #1 priority.
We need to stay calm, okay?
Okay.
And we must stay calm in trouble and always work together as a team.
Yes. Look out the window, Lily. The stars are so bright tonight. Look! There is an airplane in the sky. Goodbye, airplane. Have a safe flight. One day, I will fly a plane too. Me too. Good night, beautiful sky.
Do not forget to subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next family adventure.